If you're looking to leverage Folk CRM for cross-selling, you've come to the right place. This powerful tool can help you organize customer relationships and increase sales opportunities with ease. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Folk CRM for cross-selling, so stick around for some valuable tips. First things first, Folk CRM is a user-friendly platform designed to streamline customer relationship management. Its focus is on simplicity and usability, making it ideal for small businesses or teams who want to manage contacts without being overwhelmed by complex systems. The best part? You can get started with Folk CRM completely free from the link below, and we've also included exclusive bonuses just for you. Now, let's dive into cross-selling. Cross-selling is all about offering complementary products or services to existing customers based on what they've already purchased. With Folk CRM, this becomes a much more efficient and effective process. The first step to using Folk CRM for cross-selling is creating a detailed contact database. Folk CRM allows you to organize all your customer information in a clean, intuitive layout with the ability to tag customers by interests, past purchases, or even their preferred communication channels. This is crucial for cross-selling because knowing your customers and their preferences is the key to offering relevant additional products. Once your contacts are well organized, the next step is leveraging the CRM's segmentation features. Folk CRM enables you to segment your contacts into different categories, such as leads, active customers, and high-value clients. This segmentation allows you to target specific groups with tailored cross-selling campaigns. For example, you could target customers who have bought a specific product and offer them complementary services or products. It's all about knowing what your customers need next, based on their behavior or past purchases. The next feature you'll want to use for cross-selling is Folk's workflow automation. Once you've set up your customer segments, you can automate personalized messages to trigger based on specific actions. For example, if a customer buys a product, you can set an automation to send them an email about related products a few days later. This saves you time while ensuring that cross-selling happens seamlessly without manual effort. Additionally, Folk CRM integrates with other apps and platforms, allowing you to sync your data and marketing tools. You can connect your email marketing software, payment systems, and customer support tools to Folk CRM, making it easy to create targeted cross-selling strategies across multiple channels. Folk CRM also provides detailed analytics and reporting. You can track the success of your cross-selling efforts by monitoring customer responses and conversions, helping you adjust your strategy to improve results. By analyzing which cross-selling campaigns perform best, you can refine your approach and focus on what truly works for your customers. If you're still not sure whether Folk CRM is right for you, remember that you can try it for free with the link below. You'll get access to all the features I just mentioned, along with an extended free trial, so you can test it out and see if it fits your needs. In summary, Folk CRM is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you streamline your cross-selling efforts. From organizing your contacts to automating campaigns, it provides everything you need to increase sales with minimal effort. Don't forget to click the link below to get your exclusive free trial and bonus access.